basketball player ever, and he said that, I wish I understood empathy. Dear Mr., whatever your name is, that coach, I need you to see me. And not just my mistakes, but the way my body trembles every time you yell at me. With your eyes, can't you see I am traumatized? What are your fears, insecurity, dreams, aspirations? Because if I knew that, then maybe I can understand them and actually allow them to become the best version of themselves. I wish I jumped higher. No, I just wish I understood other people better.
Learning, leading, teaching, it all takes a relationship. It all takes empathy. A relationship, the core of any relationship, a healthy relationship, is empathy. The ability to be able to understand what someone else is going through as if it was you. Try to figure out and understand why I wasn't seeing from my colleagues at years 3, 5, and 10 the same passion, compassion, drive when I interviewed them. Because the last 10 years, I've interviewed so many coaches, I've interviewed so many educators, and it's, I want to save every child. I want to be the difference in this person's life in the way that it wasn't given to me. I want them to enter my room and feel safe and seen. That's every interview. Every single interview. But it's also true. Like, I don't think I sit in interviews and people lie, right? Like, what can I say to get this job? No, like, we really enter our profession. I consider us heroes. School day one, they tested their empathy levels, and they all tested actually as having 3 times more empathy than the average person, which is great. 1 year after pre-med school, they tested their empathy levels again, and guess what they found? Anybody want to know? Right, it dropped. It dropped significantly, right? They actually had less empathy than the average person. So what happens? What's that?
Is that experience?
Yep. Stress, 100%. Right? But also a numbing of the brain happens as well.
What type of relationship you want to have with your student? I'm curious what words you would come up with. What words would you choose? Anyone? What word would you choose? Let's say, what type of relationship do you want to have with your student? Mutual respect, genuine, trust, connectedness, absolutely.
And that's why I chose the name Connected 3030, because I agree with you. We must connect heart-led education to learning. That's what ED and Connected 3030 stands for. When we do that, we don't just teach, we change lives.